Just like the Dutch braid, we're now going to create a Viking braid. So instead of starting over, we're going to take the already completed Dutch braid and continue plaiting it to the very ends of the hair. To hold strands in place, lightly spray it with hairspray. At this point, you never want to add a hair tie or an elastic band, because you need to increase the size of the braid by gently pulling out the hair from the midsection of the braid. As you can see, the Viking braid has more of a thickness and loose look in comparison to the Dutch braid. Just keep stretching the hair as you see here until the entire braid is complete. Now that this process is complete, it's now safe to add a pin to keep the style in place. For texture and volume, back comb the front of the hair, taking section by section, working your way back. Grab the hair as if you were creating a ponytail and gently add the already created braid to the ponytail. We don't want any hair bumps, so make sure you keep it very sleek. Once you have that under control, it's now safe to use an elastic band to keep this hairstyle in place. Remove the pin from the braid and gently pull the hair out to create height and volume. Wrap a small strand of hair around the elastic band to complete the look, and there you have it.